Level 10, Proficiency. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, a shepherd boy was tasked with watching the sheep on a lonely hillside. Day after day, he sat in silence, his heart heavy with boredom. To break the monotony, he decided on a cruel trick. He cried out, "Wolf, wolf! A wolf is attacking the flock." The villagers dropped their work and came running, only to find the sheep safe and no wolf in sight. The boy laughed at their anger and thought himself clever. Not long after, he repeated the trick. Again, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" And again, the villagers rushed to help, only to be mocked by the boy's laughter. They warned him sternly, but he did not listen. At last, one dusky evening, a real wolf crept out of the forest. It leapt among the sheep, scattering and killing them. The boy screamed, "Wolf, wolf! Please, help me." But the villagers, remembering his lies, stayed where they were. The wolf destroyed the flock, and the boy sat alone, his heart heavy with regret, having learned that a liar is never believed, even when he speaks the truth.